Hi everyone, this is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'll be presenting to you a 8 treasure family platter. I'll be using 2 main products. Now one of them is the Golden Chef Baby Abalone from South Korea. The next product is the Golden Chef Abalone sauce. This sauce is a one-stop sauce for this dish. Alright, let's start cooking. Wow, look at these abalones. They're so beautiful. I'm going to use the abalones, but the stock, or you can call it the liquid or brine, do not throw it away because you can use it for steamboat, porridge or other styles of cooking. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to pour the chicken stock into the pot. I'm going to bring the stock to a boil and cook the fungus. So at this moment, I'm going to cut my purple cabbage. So after you have cut all your vegetables, we can fry them separately. The stock has been boiling and I'm going to place the white fungus into the stock right now and cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to fry the purple cabbage. I'm going to put about half tablespoon of oil over a very hot pan. So I'm going to use very high heat to fry all the vegetables separately. Okay, this is to prevent the water from coming out from the vegetables and also give a good texture and crunchiness on each of the vegetables. This has been about 3 minutes. I'm going to flip the white fungus over. So this is done. Next, we're going to fry the condensed flour. The enoki mushrooms. So this is done. We're going to remove it out from the wok. This fungus is actually ready. You have to make sure that you remove the stock out from the white fungus. Otherwise, when you display on a platter, it's going to have a lot of water. 1 tablespoon of oil for the tom yum. This is going to be very quick. So finally, we will be preparing the carrot. And just saute these carrots. Okay, it's done. So we're all completed and now we're going to prepare the sauce. We're going to add the abalone sauce right now. So just make sure that the abalone sauce and the chicken stock mix well. They are bind together and then bring it slightly to a boil. These abalones are delicious, cute and al dente. So I am now poaching the abalone for about 3 to 4 minutes just to get the flavor infused into the abalone. I will add a little bit of dark soy sauce, about half a tablespoon or probably 1 teaspoon. You can see that the color will change and darkens. So we are ready to dish out. 8 beautiful products. White fungus, purple cabbage, condensed flour, the enoki mushrooms, the tom yum, the carrot, Golden Chef South Korean baby abalone, and Golden Chef abalone sauce. That's why it's so beautiful. It's called the 8 treasure family platter. And there you have it, the 8 treasure family platter. I hope you have enjoyed this cooking video and try it with your family and friends. This is such a heartwarming dish and it's so simple to do. Alright, so on behalf of FairPrice, we wish you Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财!